Ever wondered how to make Christmas Rudolph red velvet cake pops? Today we're diving into the delicious world of these festive delights. Armed with red velvet cake mix, cream cheese frosting, chocolate candy melts, and pretzels, we're set for a culinary adventure. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step process to create these festive treats. First off, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget the key to the velvet texture, 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. For the wet ingredients, you'll need 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups of oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Precision is key to achieving the perfect cake pops. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to get baking. The first step is to bake your red velvet cake. Simply follow the package instructions of your favorite cake mix. It's a breeze. Pour the batter, pop it in the oven, and let the magic happen. Once baked, let the cake cool completely. While the cake cools, let's prepare the cake pops. We start by crumbling the cooled cake into fine crumbs. It's a bit like making sandcastles, but tastier. Next, we're going to mix our cake crumbs with some scrumptious cream cheese frosting. This will help bind our cake pops together. Now, we shape this mixture into small, round balls. Once done, we pop these in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes to firm up. With our cake balls ready and set, we're almost there. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Melt your chocolate candy melts in a bowl. Once smooth, dip each cake pop, then adorn with pretzels for antlers and other sweet embellishments for Rudolph's features. And voila, you now have your very own Christmas Rudolph red velvet cake pops. Wasn't that a fun and easy way to bring a little holiday cheer to your table? With simple ingredients and a dash of creativity, we've created delightful Rudolph red velvet cake pops. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tasty treats. Happy baking and have a wonderful Christmas!